Hi everyone, welcome back to another math lesson. Today we are learning how to find the area of a circle. Area of a circle is a space inside the circle. This is the area of a circle. And this area is given by pi r square. Area is equal to pi r square, where pi, this is a ratio of a circumference of a circle to radius, given by 3.14 or 22 out of 7. R, this is the radius, which is the distance from the center of a circle to the edge of a circle. Let us find the area of the following circle. Let's start with question number 1. We have a circle with a radius of 21. Area is given by r square, where they have given to us r is equal to 21 centimeter, and I will use pi as 22 over 7. Now, my area will be equal to 22 over 7 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21. By 7, we get 1. By 7, we get 3. Our area is equal to 22 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 21, which gives us 1,386. This is centimeter square. So, the area of a circle with the radius 21 centimeter, it gives us an area of 1,386 centimeter square. Let us do question number 2. They gave us a circle with the radius of 10. Area is given by r square, where pi I will use as 3.14. Radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Now my area will be equal to 3.14 multiplied by r square, which is 10 multiplied by 10. This will give us area is equal to 314 centimeter square. I hope you understand how to find the area of a circle. The area of a circle is given by formula. Area is equal to pi r square, where r is a distance from a center of a circle to the edge of a circle. For more video about circles, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.